Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe de Cebu. In 1880, a chicken trapper saw a light flashing from a cave near Sapang Pio, a river in Barangay Calunasan in Cebu province. He discovered that the light was coming from an estampita of the Virgin Mary. He gave the estampita to the village chief, who forgot about it after putting it in a safe place. The chief and the village folk would build a chapel 9 years later. When they went to get permission from the parish priest at the convent of San Nicolas, they saw a wooden statue of the Virgin, which resembled the one in the estampita. The priest told them that it was the image of Our Lady of Guadalupe. The image is under the care of the Familia Mendez from Punta Princesa, Cebu City.